This is how it sounds like when the gain is set to 8% and the noise cancellation is on. Now that it is set to 8%, I try to decrease the gain a little bit to find the sweet spot. Now that the gain is set to 6%, this is how it sounds like.
Now that I've recorded a few clips at different gain level, I have realized that the sweet spot for this is about 8% gain, uh, about 6 to 8% gain while using the Blackmagic camera. When the gain is set to about 8 to 6%, there are few chances of the audio to shrill or to bleed, and the audio comes quite good. It is shot at 8% gain in the Blackmagic camera app. For the rest camera apps, I don't know, but then this is what I've noticed.